These are the exact words of Swami Vivekananda, a speech delivered in San Francisco, 28 May 1900. It is taken from the book Reflections. The opening scene is the battlefield, and both sides see their relatives and friends, one brother on one side and another on the other side, a grandfather on one side, grandson on the other side. When Arjuna sees his own friends and relatives on the other side and knows that he may have to kill them, his heart gives way and he says that he will not fight. Thus begins the Gita. For all of us in this world, life is full of continuous fight. Many a time comes when we want to interpret our weakness and cowardice as forgiveness and renunciation. There is no merit in the renunciation of a beggar. The Gita opens up with a very significant verse. Arise, O Prince, give up this faint-heartedness, this weakness, stand up and fight. Then Arjuna, trying to argue the matter with Krishna, brings higher moral ideas, how non-resistance is better than resistance and so on. He is trying to justify himself, but he cannot fool Krishna. Krishna is the higher self or God. He sees through the argument at once. In this case, the motive is weakness. Arjuna sees his own relatives and he cannot strike them. There is a conflict in Arjuna's heart between his nationalism and his duty. The nearer we are to beasts and the birds, the more we are in the hells of emotion. We call it love. It is self-hypnotization. We are under the control of our emotions like animals. A cow can sacrifice its life for its young. Every animal can. What of that? It is not the blind, bird-like emotion that leads to perfection. To reach the eternal consciousness, that is the goal of man. Their emotion has no place, nor sentimentalism, nor anything that belongs to the senses, only the light of pure reason. There man stands as spirit. Now Arjuna is under the control of his emotionalism. He is not what he should be, a great self-controlled, enlightened sage working through the eternal light of reason. He has become like an animal, like a baby, just letting his heart carry away his brain, making a fool of himself and trying to cover his weakness with the flowery names of love and so on. Krishna sees through that. Arjuna talks like a man of little learning and brings out many reasons, but at the same time, he talks the language of the fool. The sage is not sorry for those that are living nor for those that die, Krishna says. You cannot die, nor can I. There was never a time when we do not exist. There will never be a time when we shall not exist. As in this life, a man begins with childhood and passes through youth and old age, and so at death he merely passes into another kind of body. Why should a wise be sorry? And where is the beginning of this emotionalism that he has got hold of you? It is in the senses. It is the touch of the senses that brings all this quality of existence. Heat and cold, pleasure and pain, they come and go. Man is miserable this moment, happy the next. As such, he cannot experience the nature of the soul. Knowing this, stand up and fight. Not one step back. That is the idea. Fight it out, whatever comes. Let the stars move from the sphere. Let the whole world stand against us. Death means only a change of garment. What of it? Thus, fight. You gain nothing by becoming cowards. Taking a step backward, you do not avoid any misfortune. You have cried to all the gods in the world. Has misery ceased? The masses in India cry to 60 million gods and still die like dogs. Where are these gods? The gods come to help you when you have succeeded. So what is the use? Die again? This bending the knees to superstitions, this selling yourself to your mind does not befit you, my soul. You are infinite, deathless, birthless, Because you are infinite spirit, it does not befit you to be a slave. Arise, awake, stand up and fight. Die if you must. There is none to help you. You are all the world. Who can help you?